So I just spent some wonderful time with a friend who had a nasty cold, and needless to say, she has passed her germ on to me, and here I am, my wonderful immunity, my immune system failing as always, and today I woke up completely plugged up, and as you can hear, I've got the beginnings of a lovely cold in the nose, and see if I can get some sneezes out here to help relieve the obvious pressure and buildup. Bless me. It's like, I cannot believe we got another cold. It's like I can't get away from every germ that comes with it. You sneeze. Come on. It's fighting. Oh, goodness. That felt good. Floodgates. Achoo! Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Hanky time. Thick green stuff from the last cold.